Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mobo. Thank you so much for clicking my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this soft glam look. This look did not take me up to 20 minutes. This is something that you like to learn for like everyday kind of vibe. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then let's just jump into the video. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. YouTube has told me that about 90% of people that watch my content are not subscribed to my channel. And I think that is unfair. Like, you watch this video, you enjoy it, you come back again. Why are you not subscribed? Chelsea, come on now.
Like,
Chelsea, come on now.
you bought the same jacket as the girl.
Chelsea, come on now.
Bro, you bought the same outfit as the girl.
Chelsea, come on
You've gone
now.
on holiday, you're talking about, oh, you had.
Please click the subscribe button. It's free. It's free. Yeah, let's go.
Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are.
So first things first, before you do any makeup, whether it's soft glam, hard glam, full glam, medium glam, you want to moisturize and prime your skin, because I bet you don't want to take off the makeup immediately. So you want it to last long, like last throughout an entire day. Then you really have to moisturize and prime your skin. Next thing is you want to apply a matching foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 355 Coconuts. Blending the foundation and avoiding your under eye area as much as possible, because we don't want any buildup of product there, because we're still going to apply concealer. So just blend everywhere else except underneath your eye. For contour, I'm going to be using a darker shade of the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And just blend. Ciao. I do not have a blush, like a liquid blush. I usually use this pink lipstick, but today I'm thinking of using like this color of lipstick. Is it going to show up? I don't know. Let's see. This is like a hushed pink. I think I put too much for. Let's see. This is like pink, but it's not like harsh pink like that. So it's fine. So for concealer, I'm just going to put this light shade of concealer in the inner corner of my eye, like this. Then blend it out. Next, I'm going to take my regular colored concealer and go over it, like just in the inner corner and in the outer corner, drawing like an uplifting line to uplift my like face. So yeah. I'm also going to apply concealer here. To also uplift my face. What I do applying this my concealer is I let it sit because this concealer is runny and watery, so letting it sit and dry in for a bit gives it the maximum coverage that you need. So my fan, I'm just going to let it like dry into my skin and then we'll start blending. So after letting it dry, we're just going to blend it all up. After blending, it's time to set. Recently, I have liked like setting my face rather than baking. So I only set my face. I don't even bake these days. And if I have the need to bake, I usually use the same setting powder to bake, and it's like it always gives me the same good, amazing finish. So So after setting my face, I'm going to like bake down here with the same setting powder because this setting powder is like easy to wipe off. It does not leave like a dark, like not like a dark, like a harsh residue because there are some baking powder, like there's one I have. When you wipe off the bake, like the harshness of the line is still there. Like, all right, so while I am in the kitchen baking, I'm going to quickly go off camera to fill my brows. If you like your brows full, fill it full. But for soft glam, I just suggest you do like little strokes over it and you're good to go. This video, I don't want it to be so long, so I'm not going to do it on camera. I'm going to do it off camera, but I have a video on how you can draw your brows and I will link it in the description and also anywhere. So make sure you check that out. By the time I'm done doing my brows, this whole thing will be ready to come out. That is what we call multitasking, baby. Bye. See, I know my brows, they are not even. Like, just don't talk about my brows, just leave them. It took me a longest time to do these brows because, first of all, I did not shave my brows and I did not want to because I wanted to do that as a separate video. So just forget, don't even look at it. I'm going to wipe off all of this bake. Um, I look crazy, but calm down. Trust the process. I'm going to go over my contour with this palette that I use, this middle shade, absolute favorite. And like I said in my makeup do's and don'ts videos, try going in circular motion so that you can blend your contour with your under eye setting powder.
Eating everything to get no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. We passed it. Wait, fucking on my ex, cause he better than.
In this palette, I'm going to go in with this middle shade, like this kind of look close to the shade I applied as blush. So that's what I'm just going to use as blush, period. Even though my blush is still kind of like showing, or I guess now it's too much. like this shade here to go over my entire face as my entire face setting powder, and that is also going to like blend out some of the harshness and reduce some of the blush that I have going on. All right, so for eyes, you want something really simple, something really soft, something not too colorful, something good. Like first off, apply concealer on my eyelid. Shadow look. But like I said, something simple and something soft. For what do you call it? Soft glam look. You want a soft eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this light shade here. It's showing up kind of yellow on the screen, but it's actually like a light brown. And I'm just going to be placing that on my lid, like so, and just blending it out. Basically, I'm going to take this dark brown shade here, a more fluffier brush, and I'm going to take that brown shade and just like go over my crease, my lid, dust off the excess. So I'm going to take this darker brown. It looks like black, but it's actually a darker brown shade, and just like create a wing. So this is like a very simple, subtle eyeshadow look that is not doing too much. You can even skip the entire light brown part and just apply a brown shade over your crease, and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna replicate this, fix my lashes. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back, and I'm just going to spray my face with, this is the spray. I don't want to do too much. Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. I'm also going to apply highlighter. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This dark shade here, as you can see, it has already hit pan. That is to tell you how much I use it. So, still doing what it's supposed to do. So you want it as subtle as possible. So because of my storage space that I didn't have, I had to do the rest of the makeup off camera. And the only thing I did was just apply lipstick. I used the same pink lipstick I used in the beginning for blush. Then I just lined my lips with a brown liner and then applied gloss. I applied little lipstick because I wanted to have that kind of like nude pink subtle look, and that's what I got. So this is the final look. I don't know what you guys think, but I love the way I look right now. Like, this is so simple. Like, this is the kind of makeup that you wear and people will be like, she's wearing makeup but she's looking good. This look didn't take me up to 20 minutes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to take some really cute pictures for Instagram. That's right, if you're not following me on my Instagram, this is my handle right here. Make sure you go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.